First of all, good evening everybody. It's a pleasure to be here in Pune. It is my birthplace, so it always gives me a lot of joy to come back to my own city. And I'm here for Max. Max, which makes me feel so good because their outfits are fantastic. You can wear them anytime, and today I'm here to launch their festive collection, Tagisha and Tagish. And I have to admit, I already have my Diwali wardrobe plan. All thanks to Max.
You made art as simpler as well, and we would not look as good as you, but we actually know what to shop for ourselves. What are your memories around Diwali?
Well, Diwali is always a beautiful time. A lot of my relatives, my Aji, Azuba, Mama, Mami, Kaka, Kanku, all of them stay in Pune. So I used to visit Pune a lot during Diwali time and eat a lot of chakli and chivda and all that and burst a lot of crackers.
So much, and I would like to call upon Mr. Piyush Sharma, who is the Regional Manager West of Max Fashions, to launch the AV.
I think the long-awaited festive period is here. It's good to see mall well decorated to welcome the customers to come and celebrate and definitely shop. This is the time of the year when everybody looks forward for coming along with families, enjoying, having good time, having fun, a lot of food, celebration, fun, and yes, of course, lots and lots of shopping, without which the festival is never complete. And to make this festive season more exciting, we have close to 3,000 styles in store for you. You would have just seen our festive range, very exciting range, and all the hard work done by our designers and buyer has paid results. At Max, we always believe in celebrating every festival with customers. And we always look forward for opportunities when we can engage with our customers and come together and celebrate. Max in India has pioneered the concept of bringing the international fashion at an affordable price by providing an opportunity to certain customers to come and shop under one roof for the entire family for their clothing, accessories and apparel needs. We also have Max products available on maxfashion.com as well as on the Android and iPhone applications available for those customers where Max today is not available. Pune city is a very important market for us. We have 7 stores in Pune, and we would like to thank Pune for the overwhelming response, love, affection which Pune has given us. And this has given us a lot of confidence to take this format to other neighboring towns of Pune, and very shortly we will be launching our stores in towns like Kolhapur, Amravati, Aurangabad. Very soon we will be going to these towns. Also, since as a format, we believe in providing opportunity to entire family to come and shop under one roof. And we have a very exciting range, and we look forward for you all to come and enjoy and have an experience. To make Diwali more memorable, we cannot think about festival without food, so we have very exciting, exclusive dessert sets available to be given away. And other loads and loads of offers are available. Please do drop into Max store and have a look at the exciting list. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Piyush ji, for telling us entirely about Max, and we can't wait to shop from it at all, because after looking at the collection personally, I'm sure after this, people are just rushing to the store to collect their favorites, whichever they're selected. Thank you so much.
I'm back, all of you. Hi. So, did you all like the fashion show? And how did you like our Aditi Govitrikam? थोड़ी और hooting हो जाए, थोड़ी और आवाज हो जाए, please. A warm round of applause for all of us. Thank you so much, Aditi. We are very obliged to have you here. You walked the stage for us, and I hope the collection was really beautiful and all of you loved it. Isn't it? Ek aur noise? Hola! Ah! Okay, alright. I would want to call some Max followers and fan of Max on stage for this meet and greet with Aditi Govitrikar. I'm taking the names, so please come up on stage. Bhumi Agarwal, Vinny Gupta, Ketaki Argade, Barkha Tiwari, and Siddharth. Thank you so much for coming up on the stage. Anything which all of you, any one of you would want to ask Aditi over here? Open to ask her about the collection, about anything else. You? Okay, sure, you can do that too.
Do you know how many codes? I think it's better if you all ask the question, isn't it?
That was a nice historical question. How many forts are there in Pune?
I personally don't only two starting one is the other note and second one is lower.
Alright. So answer correct है क्या? How many forts are there in Pune? अगर यहाँ से answers नहीं मिले तो वहाँ से answer ढूंढने पड़ेंगे मुझे. Anybody who knows how many forts are there in Pune? The question is by Aditi Govitrikar, so you better answer it. Very bad. Very bad. General knowledge is too bad. ये और बात है कि मुझे भी नहीं पता. I'm sorry. Thank you so much all of you for coming up on the stage. अभी भी बोल रही हूँ, अगर कुछ पूछना है, she is here. You can ask. You wanna ask? Okay.
Hello ma'am, my name is Siddharth and in 2008-9 I believe you were a participant of Khatron Ke Khiladi which was hosted by Akshay Kumar. I actually wanted to know how was it, the experience part of it, because on the television it looked like okay koi bhi kar sakta hai, but I'm sure it should be the other way around while you were performing it. So could you please?
So basically it was the first fear factor, so nobody at all knew anything about it. It was all what we have seen earlier in the fear factor shows which happened abroad. It was very, very difficult because I did around 31 stunts, and till the time you did not go to the venue, we did not know absolutely nothing about the stunt. They did not inform us, we didn't get a chance to practice. So one day we went in the morning and they said, okay, you have to jump from there down. You know, so it was very difficult. On television, it doesn't look that difficult because it is two-dimensional. But when you're actually doing it, it is far more difficult. And having snakes and scorpions and all that, it's pretty tough. But it was an amazing experience. Amazing.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much for this meet and greet with our fans and followers of Max. And Aditi, I would really want you to pass on there. Few of our media people would want to ask some questions to you. Thank you so much, Aditi. Thank you so much. So, all of you like the fashion show?
Yeah. English, Hindi, Marathi? Hindi? ठीक है. हाँ.
अदिति वेलकम टू पुणे. आप थोड़ा शेयर कर सकते हैं आज आप यहाँ किस लिए हैं और आप क्या अपने मैक्स फेस्टिवल में देखा आज खास?
जी मैं यहाँ पर मैक्स जो फैशंस है सो मैक्स फैशंस ने दिवाली के लिए स्पेशल कलेक्शन लॉन्च किया है, इसी वजह से आई हूँ. और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि यहाँ पे जो मैंने कपड़े देखे, जो फेस्टिव कलेक्शन देखा, वो बहुत ही सुंदर है, वेयरेबल है और दिवाली के लिए परफेक्ट है.
आपने जो पहना है अभी कोई मैक्स का कलेक्शन?
ऑब्वियसली अभी मैंने जो पहना है मैक्स का ही है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
पीयूष जी? ओके पीयूष जी, आप मैक्स की तरफ से क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, क्या खासियत है इस फेस्टिवल कलेक्शन की?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं बोलना चाहूँगा हमारे सभी कस्टमर्स को दिवाली की फेस्टिव सीज़न की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और मैं चाहूँगा कि फेस्टिव सीज़न सबके लिए बहुत बहुत खुशियाँ लेके आए। और हमारी डिज़ाइन टीम, बाइंग टीम ने बहुत ही मेहनत से एक कलेक्शन तैयार किया है जो कि आप लोगों ने देखा। और आप लोग स्टोर में आएँ और एक्सपीरियंस करें कलेक्शन को। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग कलेक्शन। और आप अगर स्टोर में आके कलेक्शन और प्राइसेस देखेंगे, आई एम श्योर ये आपको यू ऑल विल बी टेकन बाय सरप्राइज।
Pleasant, sir.
Pleasant surprise to be precise, yeah.